Kia ora, ko Amanda Clinton-Ghodez, tōku ingoa no ngā motu aho.
Hei, pēhea whakaaro mo tēnei kaupapa te piri Haeata ki Parihaka. Pēhea whakaaro.
Miharo ana. I don't know if I've got the words in te reo Māori, but I te reo Pākehā, it's just such a privilege and an honour to be here and to be part of this kaupapa. This is a really historic day for whānau at Parihaka, but not just for Parihaka, but for our nation. You know, the acknowledgement in this legislation of the mamai, of the dark history that has passed and has been continued, not just from the atrocities in 1800s, but continually. And it was really beautifully acknowledged today by many MPs in the House of that history and of our government, the Crown's part in that. But also this is a day to start healing, you know, and so a really incredible occasion to be a part of and witness to.
A pēhe te wairua ki runga i te whānau Parihaka. Ia koe.
I think one of the speakers in the House acknowledged that is, you know, there's a wairua of, there is that mamai still carried, but also a wairua of hope and aroha, you know, and I think the kaupapa of Parihaka is so powerful in the way that all of these things are worked through with so much grace and so much aroha and manaakitanga.
What does this day mean for Parihaka now, just having a third reading? What do you think it will bring?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm in the best place to say that really, but it seems to me that this has been a really long, difficult journey to get here with the legislation itself, but of course the history that precedes that. I hope that it means for Parihaka, Parihaka can be formally recognised and have a really strong relationship with the Crown, and that the Crown honours that and the promises that the Crown has made, and to ensure that Parihaka has a strong future going forward, that the history and the strength of Parihaka now is acknowledged and supported going forward. Yeah.
He kupu hei whakakapi o tata nei rangi meki. You got any words just to wrap up our day for us here?
Just an incredible day, an incredible occasion, and hopefully the start of what continues to be a bright future for Parihaka and the whānau at Parihaka, as well as, you know, Parihaka to be a shining light of peace and hope and love, not just for Taranaki, not just for Aotearoa, but for te ao, the world. Kia ora.
O ka nui mai. Tika kamihi nui ki a koe te niwa. Pai Amanda. Ka tika. Tēnā koe.